Good morning, students. Today I'll continue the same chapter, the socket API, in which we have already done many of the topics like datagram sockets API, stream mode socket API, connectionless versus connection oriented. So today I'll discuss socket with non-blocking IO operations. So before that, I would like to explain non-blocking socket. What is non-blocking socket? So basically, when we issue a call, our program does not regain control until either the connection is made or an error. So इसका solution क्या है? Solution है non-blocking socket. बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट क्या रहता है कि सॉकेट्स जो है वो ब्लॉक रहेगा, ब्लॉकिंग मोड में रहेगा, एंड जब भी वो नॉन ब्लॉकिंग मोड में प्लेस होगा तो फिर हम लोग ऑपरेशन कंप्लीट करने के लिए वेट नहीं करना पड़ेगा. So socket with non-blocking IO operation input operations like the it provide the basic socket API provide asynchronous, that means non-blocking send, and synchronous receive, that means blocking receive operation. Using these API, a process that reads from socket is a subject to blocking. वाई वी यूज़ ब्लॉकिंग एंड नॉन ब्लॉकिंग. सो हम लोग जब भी कंकरेंसी को मैक्सिमाइज़ करना रहता है देन वी यूज़ दिस टेक्निक. So in this, a thread can be used so that a read operation is performed in a waiting thread while a separate thread remain active for processing other tasks. However, in some applications that require extension use of thread, the overhead can affect the performance or even the working of an application. There are sockets which provide non-blocking IO operation. Using such an API, neither send nor receive will result in blocking, and it is necessary for receiving process to use a listener to be notified of the arrival of the data. जब भी data arrive करेगा तब हम at that time a listener must be there to notify that data has arrived. So asynchronous sockets are available with Windows Socket in Java 1.4. It also provide a new package, that is Java NIO, that offers socket with non-blocking IO operations. Now secure socket API. These API enhance with data security measures. Using this API हम लोग डेटा बिट स्ट्रीम में ट्रांसमिट करते हैं नेटवर्क पे, and if intercepted by means of a tool such as network protocol analyzer, it can be decoded by someone who has knowledge of the data representation of the data exchanged. ठीक है. Hence it is risky to use socket to transmit sensitive data such as credit information and authentication data. To address the problem, protocols have been introduced to secure the data transmitted using socket APIs, and some of the well-known protocols are Secure Socket Layer, that is SSL, and the Java Secure Socket extension. So Secure Socket Layer was a protocol developed by Netscape Communication Corporation for transmitting private documents over the internet. And SSL has method or function similar to the socket API, except the data is encrypted before it is transmitted over an SSL connection. SSL is supported by modern browsers also. When run with the SSL protocol selected, these browsers will transmit encrypted data with SSL socket API. Many websites also use protocol to obtain confidential user information and such as credit card numbers. The URL of a web page that required an SSL connection starts with HTTPS. जनरली हम लोग जो भी ये वेबसाइट रहता है उसमें क्या रहता है, HTTP रहता है, स्टार्टिंग वर्ड इज़ HTTP, बट जिसमें हम लोग सिक्योर सॉकेट लेयर प्रोटोकॉल रहेगा या SSL इंक्रिप्शन रहेगा, दैट इज़ नोन एज दैट वेबसाइट नेम स्टार्ट विद द HTTPS कीवर्ड. ठीक है, दैट मीन्स hypertext transmission protocol secure. Next one is the Java Secure Socket extension. So the Java Secure extension is a set of Java packages that enable secure internet communication. It implements a version of SSL and TLS. TLS means Transport Layer Security Protocol, and include functionality for data encryption, server authentication, message integrity, and optional client authentication. Using this, developer can provide for secure passage of data between two processes. So in Java there is a package import javax.net.ssl. क्लास जो क्लास SSL सर्वर सॉकेट है वो सब क्लास है किसका, सर्वर सॉकेट क्लास का, और इसके सारे मेथड्स इनहेरिटेड हैं. सो फॉर टुडे इतना ही हम इस पर वाइंड अप करते हैं, बिकॉज टॉपिक इसमें दिस इज़ योर द चैप्टर इज़ ऑलरेडी ओवर with this topic, that Java Secure Socket is the last topic in this chapter. So in the next lecture I'll start a new chapter. Thank you.